Hey guys. Sorry, I'm not hearing my TV. I'm gonna go for dinner with Jojel. I'm waiting on her. Yep. Never come here since I'm going to school. Now I have no makeup because I stopped with that about 2 years now because I just can't bother, especially with the mask thing. I want to underestimate that coat here for the coal. I'm just gonna soldier it out because I can't bother. My belly is growing. I'm really hungry. Don't know where Jojel is. She drive really slow. Me, I go and like say she not gonna watch this. But she drives slow. She's afraid of driving. Oh yeah. So a night I'm gonna have my see good because I have no ring light and them something, but I'll try to video some stuff and if it come to nothing, I'll make it into a video. Like a video to go on YouTube. Something on my eye. Okay? Alright. Okay guys, I'm just making a stop at the laundromat before I go to the restaurant because I really don't want to leave my house tomorrow. And I have some clothes to dry. Okay guys, so it's night, so it's not even showing good. But this is the best Indian place in Japan. Argue with your mother. Okay? They're from Nepal. I haven't been here so long. I'm very excited. Oh, shit, it's full. Hi. I think we should spare our hands. We are here. Say hi, Jojel. Hello. The place is really packed. It is my favorite Indian restaurant. So packed, we're sitting at the counter. Wow, mine. And the kitchen is right there. Right there, so. But trust me, them little places here are always the best. I like ghetto Jamaica. I'm excited for the food. Right, this is the kitchen. Do you want to do now? You remember both them never studied English in high school, you never like it. He's not Japanese, he's what people from Nepal name? I don't know. Nepalese. I don't know. I'll be high school picnic there. Remember when me did that high school? Look at KFC and Burger King going, that's it. No sir. So I usually get the ladies set. Come on! I usually get the ladies set. You get a salad, you get 2 curry, and naan, and a piece of chicken, and drink. Okay? So do you want that one or do you want the one with I can't talk to you. Come, look at the menu. You can try the menu, which one you want. So this one for $9.90. It only comes with the 1 naan and 1 curry and 1 drink. The one I always say, the lady said, you get 2 curry.
2 curry.
And the chicken.
Okay.
So which one you want? Oh wait.
We can try another.
No, I'm taking the ladies set.
Okay, then what can you suggest for me then that I can get?
You don't eat a lot.
But you can take.
You can take out at this place. You can bring it home if you're not finished.
Choice curry, 2 choice curry.
I want prawn curry.
Prawn curry, sure.
And I want cheese naan. And I want a hot chai. And then a spicy hot.
Okay.
And then one more. You want cheese naan? Or the normal naan?
Normal.
Garlic naan? With the set?
Yes. Yo, this salad is the best salad I have ever had.
Salad.
Oh no. Yes.
Okay.
It's not the chef that I like.
So,
I look.
cucumber, no.
Huh?
Cucumber, not cucumber.
Cucumber. Oh, daijoubu desu.
Sorry.
Hi. Chopstick. Hashi. Remember, this is the table. Guys, my family mess like and it's not the chef that I like. Hi. Arigatou gozaimasu. Yummy. That's all for this vlog, guys. The food was amazing. Thanks for watching. Bye.